Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing Vehicle Simulator. It's been a long time, I think a month or like day. I don't know how many days. Definitely, I don't know how many hours. But it's been a long time since I've made a video about any Roblox. I don't know how to make a Minecraft video, and because my Minecraft on computers and laptops are for money. So whenever I get my money, I can buy it. I do daycare videos and who's your daddy? That's the most common ones that have been in the first channels of every YouTuber. 1,000 cash. I'll get it. Should I be a I'm gonna be a citizen, but I've checked the comments down below. If you're watching on TV, I watch on TV, at laptops and phones. If you're on TV, I know you cannot do it, but you just need to open your phone. If your phone is not on charging, I know that what happens to me. I just want to comment, but like it's let's get right into it. I know my voice is a little bit glitchy, but in real life, my voice is great. I have these vehicles right here. No, not. Where's my arrow? Oh, there it is. My cursor, I meant. I have a Lamborghini. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I have a Dodge Viper. I have a McLaren 360S, and I have a Subaru BRZ. Comment down below again, what car should I take? My Lamborghini and my McLaren are my favorite ones. This one, I didn't know about it, but I used like $1,000 on $100,000 on it. This is the slowest car and the cheapest car. Like, look at this. Because of this and stuff, it was, oh my god. Look how slow this thing is. It could go like 110 miles per hour or something. I know guys, it's a little bit laggy. Please don't mind. I'm stuck. It's so laggy. This is insane. Now I'll do my McLaren or this one. Yeah, this one's a little bit better. I did some upgrades to it like 2 months ago. It was like his birthday. I know it's a lot laggier than I usually play. Oh my, so laggy! You could go 225 miles per hour. You could see right there. Right there, 100 miles per hour. But now my mouse is lagging great. Let this car stop. Oh yeah, now I'm floating. I believe I could fly into the sky. Of course you fly in the sky. And now for my lap. Oh god, that's insane. Bye bye. Now for my Dodge Viper. This is incredibly slow. Well, kind of fast. I don't know if it's faster than the other car. insane on this. And now for what's next? My Lamborghini. Or I'll do this one. I'll do my McLaren, then I'll do my Lamborghini. Oh yeah. This one's kind of slow. It is the second cheapest car, I think, in the game. Wait. I'm rolling around like crazy. Wait, that drift was so bad. Now let's see the results. Okay, that is incredibly slow. Okay, that just ramped off. Because this car is, I think, it's more expensive, but kind of slower. I'm not touching anything. I could clap. I need to join another server. Just move this. Wait, guys, where are you? Yeah, I'm back. I need to join another server. Oh my. I know this one is kind of laggy, but I don't know my title of my video. It's gonna take 1,000,000 hours to just upload it. Connect on. I'll be right back when it's done. Oh my god, what happened? It was lagging so much there. It was like not responding. My game crashed. Literally, my game crashed. Oh, don't mind those people, please. Oh, now you're gonna see them, but please don't mind. Some of you guys could tell, like, how I could... If some of you guys could tell how I could, like... There's hair on me. Yeah. Ew. Yeah, like, how to blur things. Like, that would be so appreciated. What? What did I just say? Yeah, I know this video is kind of like laggy and stuff and kind of annoying. But now it's time for our last and my favorite vehicle. Or whatever you want to call it. My Lamborghini Hurricane. Here it is. My favorite color is yellow, as you know. My favorite color is green, blue. Thank you. He's interrupted. Can you stop interrupting? Thank you. Oh my god. Yeah. So my favorite colors are yellow, green, and blue. And I had this Lamborghini right here. And I wanted it in real life. Hey! Ah! Please, quiet. Thank you. Not again. Why do people like my Lamborghini? Stop interrupting, please. people. These people are insane. Only have 5 minutes left. Oh yeah. This game is not laggy, but I think it is for you. Can we go 300 miles per hour? This is literally walking speed. It's going strong. It's almost 300. It's confirmed it could go way faster than 300 miles per hour. I actually tested it out. And this is the video. This video is kind of short. And my voice is so laggy. Some truck came out. -30 outside. It is going whoop, up it goes. Now it's very shiny outside. I can't believe it. It's so sunny. While it was so cloudy and snowing. Like literally it was snowing like crazy overnight. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll thank you. This video again. I'll thank you, all of you guys, for watching this video, and make sure to press that little red thingy which says SUB. It's red, and it's glowing red to click on. It just wants you to click on it, and you exit this video and just see it. So, to never miss my videos, you got to press that little bell right there. Like, if you exit out, it'll be right there beside the red button after you click it, and just like the video. And please remember to subscribe. I have been making this channel for 1 year. Oh my god, I didn't even know I made this intro? What you call it? This channel for 1 year. But I have the same subscribers. I really like it, but at the same time I don't. So that's so cool. And thank you so much for watching. That's it. Go check out other my channels, Helpside YouTube Collection and Fellows channel. They have amazing videos. Fellows channels have a little less videos, but it's still good. It's nice. Now there are flurries going outside, and it's sunny, cloudy. And there's a truck outside that sounds like a Lamborghini. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Boop 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 boop.